Our mission is pretty simple: to plan, build, and preserve Anaheim for the people who live here now and for those who come after us. Every day that shows up in the way we approach the work, whether it's fixing a sidewalk, designing a new street, or planning a major capital project. We're always asking, does this serve our community well? And will it hold up for the future? We're thinking not just about today's needs, but also about the kind of city we want to be in 10, 20, even 50 years. We've got a lot going on, from preparing for the 2028 Olympics to major projects like the East-West Connector and the rebuild of our Civic Core. At the same time, we're making sure neighborhoods get the day-to-day investments they need, like road repairs, storm drain improvements, and safer sidewalks. To meet the future demands, we're planning smarter. That means using data, working across departments, and involving the community early, so we build things that last, that work well, and can evolve as Anaheim grows.
Public Works is at the heart of several major initiatives, including OC Vibe, Disneyland Forward, continued build-out of the Platinum Triangle, and the East-West Connector Transit Corridor. We're also in the early stages of rebuilding our Civic Center campus with the new City Hall, police headquarters, and a central library, all designed to meet the needs of a growing and evolving city.
The East-West Connector is a big deal for us. It's more than a transit line. It's about a chance to connect people to jobs, entertainment, and housing with a clean, reliable option that reduces car dependency. It'll run from ARTIC through the Platinum Triangle and into the Resort District, areas that are seeing the most growth. We're designing it to be flexible, modern, and part of a larger network that supports walking, biking, and transit. If we get this right, we're setting Anaheim up for a more sustainable and connected future.
The reimagining of Beach Boulevard has been a major initiative for the city of Anaheim. Public Works is at the epicenter. It's not just about changing the look of a corridor, but the conditions that have allowed nuisance activity and disinvestment to take root. The goal is to turn it into a place where people choose to live, work, and shop. Addressing the environment first, then enabling placemaking is guiding efforts citywide. For example, as we plan for the 2028 Olympics and continued growth in the Resort District, Public Works is helping design infrastructure that meets both daily needs and surge demands.
The Anaheim Resort Maintenance District is a world-class tourist destination located right here in Anaheim, California. We see over 25 million visitors a year to the Anaheim Resort, and two of the mainstays to the Anaheim Resort are the Disneyland Resort, as well as the Anaheim Convention Center, a city-owned and operated facility, which happens to be the largest convention center on the West Coast. With that, we have a lot of work to do in there, but our biggest mission is for people not to notice that we're there doing our job. We're there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, maintaining bus stops, sidewalks, landscaping, lighting, and it's a really cool job in government because you have the resources and the support to maintain something to perfection.
We pride ourselves in being in the community. Our motto, "Always There," is important to us because we want to be a face in the community that recognizes all of our efforts in providing safe and reliable infrastructure. Our Traffic Management Center is important because it provides real-time information to our traffic operators. It allows them to quickly adjust timing for special events, and it's important that we provide reliable information and safety for all of our visitors and travelers on the roadway.
Anaheim Public Works is innovative in many of the public works arenas, and Fleet is no different. Many other cities will come down and want to take a look at our shop, talk to our supervisors, look at our equipment. We're kind of the leader here in Orange County, and we enjoy that role. One of our responsibilities is to maintain the city's fleet across all departments. It includes 1,400 vehicles, 70 generators, and 12 fuel sites.
Our goal right now is doing our part and electrifying our vehicles. It's really exciting. We actually have 12 Ford Lightnings coming online next year. And Republic Services is also investing in their clean fleet. They're replacing their CNG vehicles with electric vehicles, and we actually have 6 electric vehicles in Anaheim running around our residential streets. City of Anaheim and Republic Services has had a relationship for almost 30 years in advancing waste management and meeting our environmental goals. Republic Services actually recently invested over $60 million in the recycling facility to have these optical sensors using AI, moving out the recyclables and reducing the waste that's going to the landfill. So we're really excited about creating a sustainable community.
I hope the legacy is that we built a city that worked for everyone. That we didn't just chase big projects, but delivered the everyday improvements that made life better in every neighborhood. I want future generations to see a city that planned with intention, invested wisely, and always put the people first. That's what good public works does. It builds trust, it builds opportunity, and it builds a foundation for everything else to thrive.